Have you ever opened up your refrigerator
And found that it was empty?
Boy, do we have an invention for you.
Hi, my name is Brian.
And I'm Chris.
And our invention is...
The magic
refrigerator.
Have you ever opened your refrigerator and it had been empty and it looks something like this?
Those were our old models of refrigerators. With our new magic refrigerators, you'll have a fridge that's always filled to the brim where food will be flying at you. Now, be careful, don't get too close. Seems like our buddy Chris got too excited. Here's a Butterfinger. Ha ha ha.
You know what, man? I bought the magic refrigerator, the Protein Plus one, and yeah, helping me out a lot. I thank the makers of that. 2 easy payments, $39.96. That's it.
I mean, really, it's one of the worst products I've ever bought. 2 payments of $39.96? Who does that? I mean, for real. Who even wants to buy?
Sorry, we're having technical difficulties.
Best product I've ever used. Ever. Purchase a magic refrigerator today. I love it. Smart. Oh. The magic refrigerator.
So call right away.
And end world hunger today.
In order to get the magic refrigerator, call 1-800-582-2777 today and ask to speak with one of our associates. Warning, product may cause bleeding from the eyes and want to unpleasant hair growth, constant twitching, constipation, severe bout chronic diarrhea, and death. Once again, call 1-800-582-2777. Thank you.